How you going, guys? I'm here going to catch some fish today. We're in the same, well, I'm going to the same spot that we went to in our first video where we caught all those sooties. And well, I'm walking down at the moment, but Jamie and Sam have been there for about an hour or so. I don't know if they've caught any fish yet, but we're going to meet up with them. The water's got a lot more water in it since the last video. It's very dirty. I've just come all this way, and they're all the way over there if you can see them. But yeah, it's definitely up a lot more. So I'll see you when I get to them. There a little bit, but nothing really was biting. So now we're going across the bridge again and going across the river to a spot. Hopefully there might be some Saratoga. Actually, me and Jimmy were down here yesterday. We got about 4 Saratoga down, just on pilchards, just off the surface. So yeah, hopefully we catch another one. The one I caught yesterday was very small, so hoping to improve that a little bit. There's a bit of a shot of the river. It's very dirty, as you can probably see. Yeah, wish us luck.
Holy crap, it's smaller than I'm pretty sure it's smaller than that.
See, that's such a tiny toga.
Toga's the toga though.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'm going to unhook him on here. Could you take a photo?
I've got video and photo here. I'll just get photos.
Yeah,
So I've come down to this spot behind me because it's one of my favourite spots in the river. That's probably because, like, when it rains, it's very good, because all along here, where you can see that grass over there, it's all dry and it's just all pebbles. So when it gets lots of water, it's very good for sooties, catfish, and whatnot. Yeah. So I'm going to try here, and if I don't catch anything, I'll probably go back to where the others are. They're over there somewhere where they are. I don't particularly like the spot. I never catch anything. So we'll try here. It's starting to rain now, which is good because it's nice and cool. So yeah. So I was just about to set up my time lapse, and here we have a small little catfish. Like, look how small he is. It's probably like one of the smallest ones I've ever caught. Hopefully I can get the hook out. Got the hook out, and that's how small he is. He's going to be alright out of the water because they can breathe. I don't really want to get the catfish slime, so I'm going to use my thong to get him back in. Come on, there you go. Almost there. Just roll him down, and off he goes. First fish of the day. Hopefully I can catch an actual fish, because I don't want to count a catfish as small as that as a fish. Yeah, carry on. Got the hook out, and that's how small he is. He's going to be alright out of the water because they can breathe. I don't really want to get the catfish slime, so I'm going to use my thong to get him back in. Come on, there you go. Almost there. Just roll him down, and off he goes. First fish of the day. Hopefully I can catch an actual fish, because I don't want to count a catfish. It's as small as that as a fish. So yeah, carry on. Downstream to that island that I probably showed you earlier. Under these trees here is prime sooty area, because they love to just sit underneath the trees and just wait for little pieces of bait to swim past them. So yeah, I'm going to try here. If I don't catch anything, I'll move back to where I was. But if I do, I'll keep you updated. So yeah. Well, I tried here for a while, maybe about half an hour, and there's just nothing, because as you can probably see, the rapids are moving pretty fast, and I only have a weightless rod, and I don't have any sinkers on me, so it's pretty hopeless, to be honest. So I'm going to go back to where I was. Sam's over there trying to catch catfish bait, or just bait in general. So yeah, move over there and try again.
Matt. Can we get the net and we'll get him up?
No, take him around.
Oh, you can just pick him up with your line. Oh, have you found?
No. Yeah, probably get them net. He's a legal one, sure. He slide that hook. Yeah, I can try. Get it. Yeah, he's trying to get my finger. Yeah, I can't get that out. Cut the line. I've caught an absolute monster of a sooty. Like an absolute monster. He's gonna have to die because it's in his gills, unfortunately. But my hands are quite big. That's 1.5 of my hands. I'd say he's about maybe 40 or 30. Like, he doesn't look big lengthwise, but he is really, really fat. Like, very fat. Can't really see him. You can't really see the fatness of him because he's on his side, but yeah, big old fish. Well, I did catch a few more catfish after that big sooty, but they weren't big enough to show the camera. They were about as small as the one that I caught, the first one I caught. So Sam's left to find Jamie because he's wandered off somewhere to go fishing. So I'm probably going to go follow him as well. So yeah, at least I've caught fish today. Cannot complain about that. So yeah, got my stuff there, giving my line a bit of a wash because it's quite dirty. So yeah, to find them. Well, I eventually found them, and now we're going to go back to the spot where I found them at the start of the video. Try and catch a few togas if they're there, maybe a big old catfish. So, who knows, we might catch one. Yeah, see you then. Well guys, I have to go because I'm getting picked up, but the other two are still down there fishing. So if they catch anything, hopefully they record it with their phones, because I didn't bring a GoPro down. So yeah, so if they catch anything, great. If they don't, oh well. Anyways, catch us later.